Chia seeds are highly nutritious and offer several health benefits. 1. Rich in nutrients. Despite their small size, chia seeds are packed with nutrients. They are a good source of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various vitamins and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, and manganese. 2. High in antioxidants. Chia seeds contain antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress, which can contribute to aging and various diseases. 3. Supports digestive health. The high fiber content in chia seeds, mostly soluble fiber, can aid digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding the good bacteria in the gut. 4. May aid in weight loss. Due to their high fiber and protein content, chia seeds can help you feel fuller for longer, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. 5. May improve heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, may help reduce risk factors for heart disease, such as inflammation, high cholesterol, and blood pressure. 6. May help control blood sugar. Chia seeds may improve insulin sensitivity and help stabilize blood sugar levels after meals, which is beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. 7. Versatile and easy to use. Chia seeds can be easily incorporated into various dishes such as smoothies, yogurt, salads, and baked goods. They can also be used as a vegan egg substitute in recipes. 8. Gluten-free. Chia seeds are naturally gluten-free, making them a great addition to the diet for those who have celiac disease or gluten intolerance. 9. Promotes bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 10. May reduce inflammation. Some studies suggest that the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. Overall, adding chia seeds to your diet can contribute to better overall health and well-being, especially when combined with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching.